In this video, I will show you how to send disappearing videos on Snapchat. So to get started, go ahead and open Snapchat on your device. Now head over into the messages section and then select the individual to whom you want to send the disappearing videos to. So in here, go ahead and click on this camera icon at the left side of your screen, and this will allow you to open your camera. So in here, go ahead and record a video using your camera. So go ahead and long press your camera to be able to record a video, and then this tool section will pop on your screen. So click on this clock icon at the right side of your screen, and then set the duration of this disappearing video. And then once you have set that up, you can go ahead and head back to the video and then send this to the individual to whom you want to send the disappearing video to. And that is how you can basically send disappearing videos on Snapchat.